Hi friends, it's Kathleen, and today we have an extremely special video. Today we are doing a thrift swap with my friend Liz over at Beepworld. Now I know what you're thinking. Kathleen, what is a Beepworld? Who is a Liz? Well, here she is to introduce herself to you.
Hello, I'm Liz. Nice to meet you all. I make funky, thrifty fashion videos mostly over on Beepworld. And for this thrift swap, basically, as I told Kathleen, I was looking for anything like fun, funky, colorful, or anything that looks like it would be worn by a haunted Victorian doll. I will let Kathleen give you more specifics, and I can't wait for you all to see what we both find. I'm so excited.
That's Beepworld for you. Highly recommend you go check out Liz's videos. They are awesome. She has really cool style, and I think you'll like them a lot. So I put her link in the description box, and her thrift swap video is live right now too. So go give her a follow. Now, as for this video, we're gonna head to the thrift store. So let's go. Alright, this stop has a huge like pajama and silky number section that goes all the way along this wall, so I'm hoping we can find some haunted doll vibes here. So I kind of hit the jackpot. I need to sort through. I don't think I need to get everything, but ooh, what's this? Okay. But yeah, let's go check out the dresses real quick. So cool. That's a yes. Ooh, these are fun squiggly wigglies. I think this would be way too big for her. If this were just a vest on its own, that would be chef's kiss. That was like you just did the chef's kiss. Mwah. Whoa, this is wild too. Also too big. Checking out the blazers now, looking for some suit jackets. And by suit jackets, I mean suits. What am I trying to say? Suit vest. Wow. How about this, y'all? You think Liz would like this? As we look for the suit vests, we can also look for some quilted vests. I noticed she had some of those on her Pinterest board. I just found this one. I think it might be a little big, but maybe we can find one that is similar. Just a bit more fitted, you know? Okay, friends, we actually did pretty good in there. I found a couple pieces I think Liz will like, and if she doesn't... But one thing that I've been struggling to find is really those historical ghost haunted doll vibes at normal thrift stores. I want to find something real old, potentially haunted, and I know just the place to do it. I'm just down the street from a really cool antique mall, and I think we might be able to scrounge something up there. So let's go take a peek, take a pop, take a poop. Nope, I'm not gonna take a poops there. Unless, no. Thank you, anime boy. I'm out of breath. I'm overwhelmed. It is so freaking quiet in here. Am I the only living creature? Could be. Up more stairs. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you tell me where you got your clothing? Oh, right here. Do you have anything bigger? These babies feel a bit ghosty. A night bonnet, perhaps? What do we think? Y'all, I'm striking out here too. Everything that looks like a haunted doll would wear it is also haunted doll size. Let's see if this lady can help us. Excuse me, ma'am, baby, none. Can you help us find some clothes? Why are your feet so small? Your head's so big. All right, never mind. Whoa. Well, that wasn't very helpful. I think we're good here. Pretty sure I got more than enough stuff at the thrift store. So let's head home and I'll show you what I got. Well, some of it. I'll keep some of it a secret. And you'll just have to find out when you go watch Liz's video. Ooh. This tableau is so pretty that I almost don't even want to sit in it. I just want to look at it. Anyways, you want to do a thrift flip with me for Liz? So one of the items on Liz's Pinterest board was this really cool short sleeve white button up with maybe embroidery, maybe just printing on it. I'm not totally sure, but I thought we could make something kind of similar. So I picked up this vintage short sleeve white blouse. It has shoulder pads. It's kind of like tuxedo-esque down the front. And we are going to make a symmetrical pattern that's going to be reflected on both sides using some whimsical shapes like some shooting stars, some flowers, some animals. So let me show you how I plan to do the dang thing. I've done a really rough sketch just of one of the panels, like my cool sun right here. Overlaid it on top of the shirt. And now I'm just working on transferring. Wow, you're gonna be upside down when I'm trying to show people what I'm talking about? Kids these days. And then we're gonna transfer that to the actual shirt. We could always just, you know, freehand on the actual shirt, but I want to try and make this as symmetrical as possible, which is why we're going through these extra steps. We have a little friend watching us. He loves to lay on my clothes. Yeah, you just go ahead and get yourself comfortable, my guy. Good morning. So I think when we left off last, I was working on sketching my design, which I have now placed it where I needed it, and I'm just gonna hand embroider all of this. YouTube is a place of magic, so time for a little YouTube magic. I already did the other side. So it looks a little crinkly because I haven't washed away the interfacing yet, but let's get this other side done. We can rinse it away and see what delight is left behind. Okay, I know y'all are like so entertained by this very time-intensive hand embroidery, but I know what you guys really come to my channel for. You're in a very precarious spot. If I move this chair even a millimeter, you will scream. I'm just warning you. Good morning. This box has been taunting me for what seems like months. Hold on, I think I have a visitor. Hello? So today is finally the day. I thought, what better way to start the morning than by opening my thrift swap package from Liz, aka Beepworld. Oh, we're really gonna do this? It's like my video has a subplot. Oh, I'll be back. Wow, so talented. Anyways, as a reminder, here's the kind of vibe that Liz was hunting for. A little clowny, a little colorful. I basically just said if it's weird, send it my way. And I just know Liz delivered. So what have we got here? A burp. Ooh, a card. Aw, Beeps. You're right, I do appreciate this art. Okay, digging in, I see a little bit of pink. Is this a bit of a preppy number? Okay, Ralph Lauren. Who is this preppy clown? Frog. The shirt gives me subtle everyday clown vibes. Yes! So many versatile styling options. You know what? I really appreciate that. Not everything needs to be like this buck wild item of clothing. And it's just like really nice. Like Ralph Lauren does not joke around. And honestly, I've been looking for more button-up items that I can layer under clothing. All of the ones that I have are pretty much white. This is perfect because it just adds a little bit of zhuzh to whatever you're wearing it with. Okay, I'm gonna go hang this up because it is too nice to be crumpled in my lap. Let's see, what's next? This says, truly could not resist this one, almost kept it for myself. That's how we know it's something good. Let's see, black. What? This is the coolest dress I've laid eyes on. Sunglasses? Okay. Let me go through all the things that I love about it. Let me count the ways. First thing I saw, this tag. Second thing I saw, sunglasses. All shapes, all sizes, all colors. Third thing I saw, even more sunglasses on the bottom. Let me just say, I'm so impressed that you did not keep this for yourself, Beeps. That is strength. That is strength that I do not know and that I aspire to have. Love the long boxy silhouette. That is so very me. And I think this could be styled a million different ways. I guess we'll find out together at the end. Bravo. This wasn't a competition, but you did you did win. A little tweed number. She's a fancy clown. The pattern, colors, fluffy trim, they really drew me in on this one. It felt so Kathleen. I think you're right. This is such a statement piece, which is exactly what I asked for. I'm imagining this styled in a way where this can stay the statement and then the rest is a little more simple. And you're not lying, the colors. They are gorgissimo. Okay, I think there's one more little bundle in here, so let's open her on up. Okay, these are a little out there. I'm in. But I know you'll absolutely rock them, whether all together and mixed and matched with other pieces. Is it a set? Liz, you get it. In one of my previous videos, I was like, I'm just a simp for a pink and red combo, and she commented, pink and red, pink and red. This is amazing. I don't know what the rest of the set could possibly be. Butterflies? Oh my gosh. We've got a gauzy moment, a transparent moment, which I love, a fun pattern. And there's another piece. Is a 3-piece set even possible? And it's pants. I can't believe I own this. Liz! Everything's a little bit see-through, which I actually love. You could wear it over a bathing suit or just with some like bike shorts or something on underneath, whatever. If this isn't rich aunt at the resort chic, I do not know what is. That's everything that I want to be in life. I don't know who you are, Ricky or Terry, but you make beautiful clothing babies. I definitely want to style this just all together, wear it as the full ensemble, but also maybe mix and match a little bit. See what kind of magic I can make happen. Whew! I'm sweating. So I'm gonna cool off, take a moment for myself, and then let's style these bad boys up with some crazy cool looks. Okay, let's do this. I really leaned into the classy yet eclectic vibe of this jacket by keeping the color palette pretty neutral, but choosing pieces with fun textures and silhouettes. I feel like the big city book editor that moves back to her hometown to start the cozy bookstore. Also, this is a PSA that yes, you can definitely pair black and brown. I mean, Reese's Cups did it, and so can you. Who let this clown in here? Out of all of the outfits, I feel the most at home in this. Liz was spot on that the pinstripe button-down carries a very casual clown vibe, especially when paired with more color and a loud pattern. So this look really ranks S tier for me, and I'm looking for any excuse to wear it out on the town. I recently saw Karen Britt chick rock this double button-down look at Fashion Week, and I had to try it. Yes, it's literally 2 shirts buttoned together. How cool is that? Oh, the sunglass dress. You complete me. I love the simple silhouette. It really lets the embroidery do the talking. And I added a little extra visual interest with the sheer underlayer and kept the pink button up on top as a top layer. Great idea, Liz. Now I need to get myself some actual funky sunglasses and we'd really be in business. Oh, don't mind me, just rocking my amazing resort look in 40-degree weather. Listen, sometimes you gotta fake it till you make it when it comes to Ohio weather. I'm definitely taking this set with me next time I head to the beach, but in the meantime, I also tried styling these pants in a more weather-appropriate way. I love the loose silhouette, so I kept that theme with the oversized vest and trench. Lots of good movement and je ne sais quoi with this look. I dig it. Oh, is it time already? Time for us to ask the age-old question? What did you think? I had a lot of fun styling those outfits and kind of just pushing my boundaries a little bit. So let me know if they're your cup of tea or if maybe you tone it back a little bit. Either way, I love everything Liz sent me. I think I love the sunglasses dress the most. It fit me surprisingly well. Like I thought it was going to be kind of a bigger fit, but it was pretty form-fitting and like kind of hot. Liz, I know I said this during the unboxing. I know this was not a competition, but you definitely won. So dear viewers, please go follow Liz. Beepworld is a great world to be in. I put her link in the description box. And go watch her version of this video right after this. I'm really excited to see what it looks like from the other side. In other news, I'm in California right now. I mean, not literally right now, but probably as you're watching this video. So I'm hoping to film a couple thrift with me's while I'm there. So the next, I think, 2 videos should be California thrift with me's. If you like this video and you'd like to see my future videos, namely those California thrift with me's, please feel free to subscribe if you'd like. And if you want to keep up with me during the week, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at kathleenillustrated. This has been so fun, and I'm sure it's not the last collab that me and Beeps are gonna do. Leave her some love down in the comments, and I will see you next week. Okay? I love you. Bye!